Have you ever wondered if everything you know about drinking water is wrong? Most people assume that drinking water is simple, just take a sip when you feel thirsty. But what if that simple act, repeated hundreds of times every day, is actually limiting your energy, focus, and even your health? Hydration is often underestimated. We are told to drink water, but rarely are we taught how to drink it in a way that truly benefits the body. The truth is, drinking water isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about allowing your body to absorb it efficiently, supporting digestion, detoxification, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Yet, despite its importance, studies show that 97% of people are doing it incorrectly. Most people drink water without thinking. Some gulp it down too quickly, others drink large amounts during meals, and many wait until they feel thirsty to take a sip. Each of these habits seems harmless, but they can actually disrupt digestion, slow metabolism, and even cause dehydration at the cellular level. Simple adjustments in timing, temperature, and technique can make all the difference, turning an ordinary daily habit into a powerful tool for health and wellness. Drinking water correctly is not just a physical practice, it's a form of mindful self-care. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs, in the way it needs it. When done properly, it can improve energy levels, enhance focus, support detoxification, and even stabilize mood. The way we hydrate influences every aspect of our health, yet few people realize the impact of small, subtle changes in how they drink. In this video, we are going to uncover the mistakes most people make, explain the correct methods of drinking water, and explore how these small, intentional changes can lead to major improvements in your physical and mental well-being. By the end of this guide, you'll understand that hydration is not just about quantity, it's about quality, timing, and awareness. If you've been drinking water the same way all your life, and you've never stopped to consider whether it's helping or harming your body, this video will open your eyes to a whole new perspective. The way you hydrate can either support your body at the cellular level or leave you chronically fatigued, bloated, or mentally foggy. Today, we're going to change that. Lesson 1. Sip slowly. Absorb fuller. Drinking water too quickly is one of the most common mistakes people make, and yet it is also one of the most impactful on the body. When water is consumed in large gulps or rapidly, the body struggles to absorb it efficiently. Instead of nourishing your cells and supporting metabolic processes, it can overwhelm the stomach and digestive system. Over time, this habit can lead to bloating, discomfort, and a feeling of heaviness, even when you are properly hydrated. The key principle of this lesson is simple: slow, deliberate sips allow your body to absorb water fully. Each small sip provides a chance for the digestive system to process and distribute fluids throughout the body. Your cells, which rely on proper hydration to function optimally, receive water more effectively when it is introduced gradually. Slow drinking also signals the body that hydration is happening, allowing it to balance electrolytes and support natural detoxification processes. Another critical aspect of sipping slowly is the impact on the mind. Mindful drinking encourages awareness of your body's needs and strengthens your connection with physical sensations. When water is consumed mindlessly, it becomes just another routine action with little effect beyond temporary thirst relief. By slowing down, you give yourself the opportunity to recognize subtle cues, signals of true hydration versus simple habit, and adjust your intake accordingly. Scientific studies support this approach. Gradual consumption of water enhances absorption in the small intestine and improves circulation of fluids to all vital organs. Rapid intake, in contrast, forces the kidneys to filter and expel excess water, reducing efficiency and sometimes leading to water retention or imbalance. By adopting slow, intentional sips, you maximize hydration at the cellular level, improve digestion, and support overall health. Finally, sipping slowly allows the body to maintain equilibrium. Proper hydration is not about how much water you consume at once, but how effectively your body can utilize it. Each mindful sip becomes an investment in energy, focus, and physical performance. Over time, this practice strengthens your body's ability to function at its best and prevents the subtle, often unnoticed consequences of hurried, careless drinking habits. Lesson 2. Avoid drinking water during meals. One of the most overlooked habits that affects digestion and hydration is drinking too much water during meals. Many people assume that drinking water while eating is harmless or even beneficial, but in reality, excessive water intake during meals can dilute digestive enzymes and slow down the breakdown of food. This can lead to bloating, discomfort, and reduced nutrient absorption over time. The principle of this lesson is clear: water should support digestion, not interfere with it. When water is consumed in large amounts during meals, the stomach becomes overloaded, and the balance of gastric acids and enzymes is disrupted. These acids and enzymes are essential for breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates efficiently. Diluting them can compromise nutrient absorption and make the digestive process less effective. Small sips are generally acceptable if needed, but large gulps or finishing an entire glass during a meal should be avoided. Instead, it is better to hydrate consistently before or after eating, giving the body the ability to process food without disruption. Drinking water 30 minutes before a meal can prepare the digestive system, while waiting 30 to 60 minutes after eating ensures that digestion is complete before additional fluids are introduced. Mindful timing of water intake also improves overall hydration. Drinking water between meals allows the body to absorb fluids more efficiently, transport nutrients to cells, and maintain electrolyte balance. Over time, this habit not only improves digestion but also supports energy levels, mental clarity, and metabolic efficiency. Scientific research confirms that separating water intake from meals enhances the effectiveness of digestive enzymes and optimizes nutrient absorption. This small adjustment can have a profound impact on overall health, helping the body extract maximum benefit from every meal while avoiding unnecessary strain or discomfort. By consciously adjusting when and how you drink water, you transform a simple habit into a supportive tool for digestion, energy, and overall well-being. Proper timing ensures that water serves its intended purpose, nourishing and sustaining the body without interference. Lesson 3. Choose the right water temperature. The temperature of the water you drink plays a crucial role in how effectively your body can absorb and utilize it. Most people reach for ice-cold water out of habit or preference, assuming it is refreshing and invigorating. While cold water may temporarily feel satisfying, it can actually slow digestion, constrict blood vessels, and reduce the efficiency of nutrient absorption. The principle of this lesson is simple: room temperature or slightly warm water supports the body more effectively than very cold water. Water that is too cold can shock the digestive system, forcing it to expend energy warming the liquid before it can be absorbed. This can subtly stress the body, particularly when consumed in large quantities, and can interfere with natural metabolic processes. Conversely, water at a moderate or slightly warm temperature is absorbed more quickly and efficiently. It moves smoothly through the digestive system, supporting circulation, detoxification, and cellular hydration. By aligning water temperature with the body's natural internal environment, you ensure that each sip contributes to optimal hydration and overall wellness. Temperature also affects hydration consistency. People often avoid drinking enough water when it is too warm or too cold because it feels uncomfortable. By choosing a temperature that is easy to drink regularly, you increase total water intake naturally and sustain hydration throughout the day. Scientific studies suggest that moderate temperature water enhances blood flow, supports enzymatic function, and promotes proper cellular function. It reduces stress on the stomach and allows the body to process nutrients and fluids efficiently. Over time, adopting the right water temperature improves energy levels, digestion, and overall metabolic performance. Ultimately, this lesson highlights that hydration is not just about quantity, it is also about quality. Paying attention to water temperature ensures that every sip nourishes the body efficiently, supporting both physical and mental performance. Proper temperature is a simple, yet often overlooked, factor that transforms ordinary hydration into a powerful tool for health. Lesson 4. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Many people believe that thirst is the most reliable indicator of when to drink water. However, waiting until you feel thirsty is often too late. Thirst is a delayed signal, appearing only after the body has already begun to experience mild dehydration. By the time this sensation arises, cellular functions may already be compromised, affecting energy, focus, and overall performance. The core principle of this lesson is clear: hydration should be proactive, not reactive. Regular, consistent water intake throughout the day ensures that cells remain nourished and metabolic processes function optimally. Rather than relying on a single physiological cue, maintaining steady hydration supports digestion, circulation, and detoxification without interruption. Sipping water consistently prevents fatigue, headaches, and cognitive decline that often accompany mild dehydration. It also supports kidney function and aids in maintaining electrolyte balance, which is essential for nerve signaling and muscle function. By drinking water before thirst strikes, the body maintains equilibrium, avoiding the stress of sudden fluid replenishment and promoting overall wellness. Additionally, proactive hydration encourages mindfulness and awareness of your body's needs. Monitoring water intake and establishing a daily routine helps develop a habit that sustains energy levels and mental clarity. It also prevents the subtle signs of chronic dehydration that many people overlook, such as dry skin, irritability, and low concentration. Scientific studies demonstrate that steady hydration is more effective than episodic water intake triggered by thirst. By consuming water at regular intervals, the body is able to absorb and utilize fluids efficiently, reducing strain on organs and improving overall metabolic performance. Ultimately, this lesson emphasizes that hydration is a continuous process, not an occasional response. Drinking water consistently ensures that the body remains in balance, cells function at their best, and daily energy and focus are maintained. Waiting until thirst appears is a missed opportunity to support the body at a fundamental level, and correcting this habit is a simple yet powerful step toward optimal health. Lesson 5. Start your day with water. The first glass of water in the morning is one of the most important habits for optimal hydration and overall health. After several hours of sleep, the body naturally becomes dehydrated. Overnight, the cells lose fluids, metabolism slows slightly, and detoxification processes are ongoing. Drinking water immediately upon waking replenishes these lost fluids and prepares the body for the day ahead. The principle of this lesson is straightforward: morning hydration jumpstarts bodily functions. A single glass of water on an empty stomach stimulates digestion, supports circulation, and reactivates metabolic processes that may have slowed overnight. It also aids in the elimination of toxins that have accumulated during sleep, allowing the body to start the day with a sense of balance and clarity. Starting the day with water also impacts mental and physical performance. Hydrated cells contribute to better focus, alertness, and energy levels. Conversely, neglecting morning hydration can lead to early fatigue, headaches, and reduced cognitive efficiency, even if you drink water later in the day. By establishing a consistent morning routine, you create a foundation for steady hydration and improved health. Timing and technique are key. Sipping water slowly in the morning allows the body to absorb it fully, ensuring that cells, organs, and tissues receive maximum benefit. Drinking too quickly can overwhelm the stomach and reduce absorption efficiency. A mindful approach to morning hydration ensures that every sip contributes to energy, clarity, and vitality throughout the day. Scientific research highlights the benefits of morning hydration for metabolism, detoxification, and cellular function. It also supports kidney performance and maintains electrolyte balance, which are essential for overall bodily equilibrium. Integrating this simple habit consistently can have a cumulative effect, improving digestion, mood, and energy levels over time. Conclusion: drinking water correctly is more than a simple habit, it is a foundational practice that directly affects every aspect of your health and well-being. Most people underestimate the power of hydration, assuming that drinking water is only about quenching thirst. But as we've explored, the way you drink water, the timing, the temperature, and the method all play critical roles in how effectively your body absorbs and utilizes it. By sipping slowly, avoiding large amounts during meals, choosing the right temperature, hydrating consistently, and starting your day with water, you allow your body to function at its highest potential. Proper hydration supports digestion, metabolism, circulation, detoxification, mental clarity, and overall energy levels. Small adjustments in these daily habits can create profound improvements over time, turning something as ordinary as drinking water into a powerful tool for health and vitality. Mindful hydration also strengthens your connection with your body. By paying attention to when and how you drink water, you become more aware of your body's needs, allowing you to maintain balance and prevent subtle signs of dehydration. It encourages consistency, discipline, and care, transforming an everyday action into a conscious, health-supporting ritual. The lessons you implement today may seem small, but they accumulate into significant, long-term benefits. Hydration is not just about quantity, it is about quality, timing, and awareness. Each mindful sip is an investment in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. By adopting these practices, you ensure that your body receives exactly what it needs to thrive, while avoiding the pitfalls that most people unknowingly face. With this understanding, you have the tools to transform your hydration habits, support your health, and optimize your life in a way that 97% of people never consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.